Right, hi guys, it's Mr. Mackay. We are here in the kitchen this morning. We are not doing a physical challenge, we are showing you something different. And I've got India here. Here's my little girl. What are we doing this morning, India? What are we going to do?
We are making smoothies, so I'm going to talk through what we have. We have a banana, frozen raspberries, protein powder, milk and sugar, or you can use this to blend all of it together, and we're using
Cool, so
this cup thing.
we're using our smoothie maker, aren't we? So we're going to use a smoothie maker, but if you haven't got one, you can use a hand blender or a food processor, but we're going to use our smoothie maker. It's always best to put the liquid in first, so it doesn't, and nothing gets stuck to the bottom.
Yeah.
So you're going to pour that liquid in, pour the milk in.
So you pour the milk in first.
Good job. But do you know how much we had? Do you know how much it was? It was...
We had 300 millilitres.
We did. Good job. Then what are we going to put in now, baby girl?
The banana.
Awesome. How much are we going to put in? The whole thing?
The whole thing.
Cool.
To make it nice and healthy.
Yeah, good. It's good we put we always like to put milk in our smoothies to balance it out because we get a bit of protein and a bit of fat. We tend to use full fat blue milk, so we're getting a bit of fat and a bit of protein from the milk. So it's not just sugars all the time from the fruits.
Just to say, don't put any sweets in here.
No. Just healthy things, isn't it?
Yeah, because you don't want to get really rotten things in
Oh, raspberries. Right.
Spots.
Let me open the raspberries for you.
And then we're gonna...
I would put in, you've got little hands, so let's put in 2 big handfuls and we'll see how much that looks like. Yeah, from them. 1, maybe 3 handfuls for your little hands. 2.
Last one.
3. Good job. That looks about right. You've got a bit of sticky hand now. Right, and
Put the protein powder in
Good.
if you have any at home.
yeah, good. You don't. Protein powder is a bit of an added extra. We do lots of exercise at home, so we like to have a little bit of extra protein in there. We don't have to put that in. Just putting the milk in would be fine. If you want to make it like we're having this as a snack, but if you want to have it as a breakfast, then you can start off with by putting a small handful of oats in. Blend the oats first. So they get all nice and thin, because you just put them in rolled oats, they'll be a bit lumpy. So just blitz the oats first, and then you can start putting the rest of the things in. But always do the oats dry, or you can buy like rolled oats or oats that have already been blitzed for you. But we're not going to do that. We've already had breakfast and we're having this as a snack. Right, cool. Let me.
So what you want to do is just put it on here if you have one. Turn it and then you just...
Let's go. Woo!
You see, all of it's blended and you can get any colour. So we got pinky colour. If you put any ingredients in, you might get yellow, you might get brown, you might get green.
So sometimes we do banana and mango. What colour does it go if we put mango in it?
Yellow.
Yeah, it goes to yellow. And if we did blueberries instead of the raspberries, what colour might that be?
Blue.
Blue. Can't get it open now. There we go. Right.
So we got our glass.
You gonna try it? Oh, it looks like a good colour. So this will make sort of 2 or make 3 small portions or 2 big portions. Give it a try. Tell me what it tastes like. Good. Let me try some. Yummy.
It tastes like the one I made at school.
It does it? Nice and nice. Right, quick recap then. So, breakfast smoothies. If you want to do it for breakfast, you can put some oats in because that gives you some slow release carbohydrates, some starchy carbohydrates. We've already had our breakfast earlier, so we're using this as a snack. So we did 300 mils of full fat milk, 1 banana. If you've got little hands like India, 3 handfuls of raspberries. So we've got bigger hands like me, maybe 1.5 handfuls of raspberries, a whole banana. If you want to, a bit of protein powder. You don't have to. Blitz it all up. What does it taste like?
It tastes kind of fruity.
Oh, nice. Yeah, good. Nice and sweet. Do you like it? Good job. Gives you a good balance because you've got a bit of fat and a bit of protein from the milk, or extra if you've got protein powder, and then the sugary carbohydrates from the fruits. And if you want to have the oats, then you get some slow release starchy carbohydrates. So it's a good good balanced snack. You have it mid-morning, after your workout, anything like that. Right, shall we say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Bye.
Make sure to like and subscribe and share this video with others. Love you. Bye.